Hello creatives, welcome back to Ainu Graphix, where we transform your ideas to visual masterpiece. Today I'm going to be showing you how to design this stunning birthday flyer in Pixellab with just your smartphone. Yeah, so if this is something that sounds interesting, kindly subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, click on the notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new tutorial like this. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into it. Alright, so I'm going to reduce the size to serve as a reference. Okay, so I'm going to position it here and I'll lock my layer. Alright, so the size for the design is 1080 by 1350, right? So I will start by importing our background. So this is the background over here. We head over to relative size and increase the size to fill the screen. Okay, then lock our layer. We click on the plus icon, go for shape. We then head over to color and go for gradient. We're going to select any default gradient from here. We click on the plus icon. You can see we have two sliders over here, so we're going to select this, the first slider. We click on the color drop, then we move the text slider to the transparent side. We click OK. We're just going to play around, push this one towards the other, and we press OK. After you increase the size like this, and then you position it here, press the check mark, and then head over to texture. Then we click on the gallery icon. We click on this image. We're gonna crop the image like this, and we pull it up. Yeah, so press the check mark. Alright, so we leave it as it is. We then reduce opacity a bit so it blends well with the background. Let's lock our layer. We're going to make a duplicate of this one over here. Let's rotate it like this. Then we head over to texture. We're going to delete the texture. Okay, so we've gotten our shape. Head over to opacity, then we increase the full opacity. Let's go to color. We are gonna pick a color from the background, so we click on this color picker, then we choose a color from here. Okay, yeah, this one is okay. So we lock our layer. We click on the plus icon from gallery. We crop the image. Alright, increase the size and position it here. Go to the layer side. Yeah, position it here. So we lock our layer, import another image, position it here. Let's reduce the size a bit, position it here. Alright, so we lock our layer, we import another image, let's reduce the size and position it here.
Alright,
So we lock our layer. So we click on the plus icon, go for test. We then head over to edit. Alright, let's increase the size. Head over to font. Just increase the size. I'm going to rotate it like this. Then we position it here. Alright, we head over to opacity. Then reduce opacity a bit. Send it under the image like this, right? So we lock our layer. Alright, so we click on the plus icon again, go for draw. Alright, so we're going to increase our pen size, then our blur radius size. After that, we select white color. So we're going to click and draw anything on the canvas like this. Alright, so we click on a check mark. Click on the layer side, click and drag. Yeah, I'm gonna send it under the image. Then let's reduce the size. Let's reduce opacity rather. And let's push it towards the other side a bit. Yeah, something like this. Okay, so we lock our layer. Again, let's make a duplicate of this text. Then we position it here. Let's reduce opacity again for this one. Then we lock our layer. Alright, so we click on the plus icon from gallery. We're gonna import this, reduce the size, and we're gonna position it here. Let's lock our layer. Click on plus icon from gallery. We're gonna click on this. Okay, so we position it or increase the size. We lock our layer as well. Click on the plus icon again from gallery. I'm going to select this happy birthday over here. Reduce the size. We head over to color and we change the color to white. So we position it here. Alright, so we click on the plus icon again, test. Go to edit. Increase the size, head over to font. We're going to select this font. And then head over to style, then I'll italic the text. Let's head over to paddling and increase paddling a bit. Alright, click on the plus icon, test again. I'll head over to background, enable my background. My background should be white, okay. I'll reduce the top paddling, then I'll reduce the down paddling as well. Alright, so let's change the text color so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, yeah, so we head over to edit and we are going to edit the text. Alright, yeah, so reduce the size. So we head over to position and we position it well. Alright, yeah, this is okay. So click on the plus icon again, test, position it here. We head over to font. We're going to select Montserrat medium, reduce the size, head over to edit. So I have the text on my clipboard, so I'll just paste. Alright, so reduce the size. I think the text, so I'll just go to style and I'll bold the text. Yeah, like this. This is okay. I'll then click on the plus icon again, text, position it here, click on edit. I will head over to font, Montserrat, head over to line spacing and I'll reduce line spacing. Now let's go for this font rather. Let's go for this font. Alright, so this is how you design a birthday flyer in Pixellab. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video.